In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Muun Wallet app on Android. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It looks like a colorful triangular logo. Tapping this icon will take you to a digital marketplace filled with millions of apps. This step is essential because the Google Play Store is the most secure and reliable way to download apps on your Android device. Once you have it open, you will see various categories and a search bar at the top of the screen. This interface is user-friendly, making it easy to find what you need. Next, search for Muun Bitcoin Lightning Wallet. You can type Muun in the search bar at the top of the Play Store. If you prefer, you can also open the official app page directly by searching for Muun on Google Play. This search will yield results related to the wallet app you are looking for. When you see the Muun app in the list, it will typically have its distinctive logo and relevant app information displayed. This is a crucial step as it ensures that you are about to download the correct application. After locating the Muun app, tap the Install button. The button is usually green and located on the app's page. By tapping this, your device will begin downloading and installing the app automatically. Depending on your internet connection, this process may take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, you will see an option to tap Open. This ensures that the app is now ready to use on your device. Once the installation is complete, tap Open. This action will launch the Muun Wallet app for the first time. You will see the introductory screens that give you an overview of what the app can do. It's essential to take a moment to read through these screens, as they will help you understand the features and functionality of the wallet. This step is reassuring because it confirms that you have successfully installed the app and now you can start using it. From here, follow the on-screen instructions to create a new wallet or restore an existing one. If you are new to Muun, you will likely want to create a new wallet. The app will guide you through the setup process, which includes securing your wallet and understanding how it works. This is important because a good setup ensures the safety of your funds. You will feel more confident knowing that your assets are well protected. Next, set up a recovery method, such as a recovery code or email and password, and securely save your recovery information. This step is crucial because it allows you to regain access to your wallet in case you forget your login details. Make sure to write this information down and store it in a secure place, as losing access could mean losing your funds. This little step saves you a lot of time later and prevents unnecessary stress. Finally, start sending and receiving Bitcoin and Lightning Network payments from the app. Muun is a self-custodial wallet, which means only you control your funds. This is significant because it emphasizes the importance of personal responsibility when managing your cryptocurrency. You will have full control over your assets, enhancing your security and privacy as you navigate the world of digital currency. You're now set up to use Muun Wallet on your Android device. Enjoy the convenience and security of managing your Bitcoin transactions effortlessly.